Hey, good afternoon, traders. Welcome to Trade This Market video update for June 12th, 2024. You're looking at an AMC chart. We're looking at a monthly, weekly, daily, and a 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, I'm sorry. And interestingly, let's talk about something that nobody's talking about. So everybody's eyes is on AMC, how it's going to squeeze up a little bit, squeeze hard, actually. A lot of people are betting on this thing. And I thought something interesting on my chart. So let me show you what happened last time AMC did this. And how long it took for AMC to finally break out to the upside. So if you look at it right here, AMC was in a box right here, was green, but it hadn't broke out just yet. So when you see these two green candles, it was a fake breakout to the upside. What AMC did in the following 2-3 months is that actually came all the way down, retesting this low right here, and then made its move. When it finally broke out of this box right here, that's when the price actually shot up to the upside. So if you look at that information here, you see the AMC is not out of the box just yet. We're still working our way to it, but that doesn't mean that AMC is going to shoot up to the upside just yet. I thought for a minute that actually if it continued this journey to the upside, then we could see potential breaking out. But in light of what's happening here, there's a tight consolidation. If you look at it, there's a power line right here that's acting as a resistance. We came to it a couple of days ago, $5.80, and then we sold off. Now, interestingly, we captured this signal line right here a couple of days ago, and we're losing it today. This is turning bearish, and the 2-hour is closing below the 50-period moving average. That would mean automatically this is going to be magnet 470. Now, if you're not able to hold this, then the next line of defense is $3.90. Now, notice one more thing is that we haven't visited $3.90 ever since we broke out of this. And so most likely scenario is that we're going to visit $3.80, $3.90. And then if we're able to push it through, then actually $2.85 is the most likely price action is going to be gravitating to. And that would actually put in a double bottom here. As long as this thing stays bullish, weekly stays bullish and a monthly stays bullish, if we come down in these areas, and then by then the price action should be, the power line should be below the price action. If we see a favorable scenario, just like what we saw here, then we can initiate another long position. But I think for short term, they are going to run this and inflict max pain on all of those people who are hoping, they're wishing that AMC is going to squeeze up. They're actually going to run the tape to the downside first, in my opinion, and then move this price action to the upside. So we'll still, I'm still bullish on it. The timing is something that I'm questioning right now. And we'll see, judging from how long it took last time for AMC to actually make this move, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months before AMC actually broke out. So we're just getting started. This is not by any means, this is not over just yet, but it doesn't look like it's favorable right now. Of course, the price action is not supporting our decision. It goes up 30, 40, 50 cents in one day, and then it gets sold off. So there are a lot of sellers actually. There's a lot of artificial supply and demand that's creating this scenario right now. And, we'll just have to sit on the sidelines and wait until favorable condition comes into play. Then we can initiate our position to the long side. So I hope this helps. Stay tuned, and I will see you at the next update. Take care.